Hello friends, I hope you are looking for the best cordless circular saw. So you have clicked this video. In this video we will discuss cordless circular saws which are best sold and achieve top-rated reviews from customers. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product, please check the description box in the below. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. DEWALT 6.5-inch 20V Max Circular Saw. This saw is a powerful and durable tool for woodworking. It offers 5,150 RPM for cuts. The blade is made of carbide and provides a 2x cutting capacity of 45 and 90 degrees. The blade is 6.5 inches wide. The saw is extremely durable because of the upper guard and magnesium shoe of high strength. The bevel capacity of 0 to 50 degrees increases extra efficiency for numerous applications. I like the fan inside the instrument that cools the motor, making the tool more durable and powerful. This instrument was produced by DEWALT, a manufacturer with a rich history and millions of clients around the world. They produce power and hand tools, outdoor equipment, and accessories. This tool weighs 7 pounds. Its dimensions are 10.00 inches x 15.00 inches x 8.00 inches. Pay attention to the fact that this instrument does not come with a charger or battery. It is compatible with DW91 17-15-minute charger and 20-volt XRP battery. What do we like? Powerful instrument. High durability. Extremely sharp. Perfect for any type of wood. Affordable price. Number 2. Makita SH02R1 Cordless Circular Saw. The saw by Makita provides a 1500 RPM speed maximum. It uses a battery of 12 volts. The instrument weighs 3.5 pounds. The dimensions of the saw are 14.5 inches in length x 8 inches in width x 10.2 inches in height. Despite the fact that this is not the fastest saw on this list, it is a pretty compact, well-equipped, and powerful tool for daily work. Its maximum depth that you can receive from a 3 3/8 inches blade is 1 inch at a 90-degree angle, and 5/8 inches at a 45-degree angle. Bevel cuts tilting base is from 0 degrees to 45 degrees. This saw cuts not only plywood, but pegboard, MDF, melamine, particleboard, and drywall. There is an inbuilt dust blower that significantly increases the durability of this saw and eases your work. The handle is covered with soft rubber for a comfortable hold. The battery is protected from overheating and overloading. Makita is a well-known manufacturer of garden and woodworking equipment. It also sells chargers and batteries native for their tools. I also enjoy the tool case where I keep the saw, battery, and charger. What do we like? Compact model. Comfortable grip. The engine is protected from overheating. Battery and charger are included. Affordable price. Number 3. BLACKDECKER Cordless Circular Saw. The motor of the saw is 5.5 inches high speed. There is a wide range of cuts you can perform with this motor. This instrument offers an adjustable depth of cut. It increases the speed and power depending on whether you choose 45 degrees or 90 degrees angle. The 12T blade is made of carbide and offers quick cuts on versatile materials. This saw is durable and ideal for everyday work. I like that I can choose the depth of the cut. BLACKDECKER producers offer 2 years warranty for this saw. They also make tools for home and garden, home cleaning instruments, housewares, and versatile small appliances. Besides the saw itself, you receive a charger and a 20V battery. The dimensions of the saw are 14.25 inches x 8.38 inches x 9.25 inches. The whole pack weighs 7 pounds. If you need an extra lithium-ion battery for this instrument, you can order it from the same company. However, I believe the one battery that is included is more than enough for you. What do we like? Powerful motor. Adjustable depth of cut. Battery and charger are included. 2 years warranty. Affordable price. Number 4. Bosch Beartool Ion Circular Saw. The blade of the saw is 6.5 inches, and it cuts through the material of 2 inches thick at 90 degrees. It copes with 1 9/16 inches of material effectively from 50 degrees. You can use a no load of 3,900 RPM for this saw. This product weighs only 6.6 pounds, which is lighter than many similar products. This means that the saw is transportable and you can take it with you to your countryside house. I personally like the design of this tool. It is left blade, so you will see all your work clearly, holding the tool in your right hand. There is a level that is easy to read and gauge to check out the depth of freshly made cuts. Bosch is a legendary company that produces household and woodwork tools from amateurs and professionals. The quality of their products is undeniable. This saw is also durable, has an aluminum foot and upper guard. The manufacturer provides a cell and motor protection from overheating installed in the saw. I have used this saw for years, and it still looks and works like new. There is an electronic brake and anti-snag lower guard to ease the work for amateurs. What do we like? Lightweight model. Electric brake. Heavy-duty aluminum upper guard and foot. Affordable price. Well-known developer. Number 5. EnerTwist Cordless Circular Saw. Apart from the saw itself, you receive a lithium battery of 4.0 Ah charger, parallel and laser guide, cutting blades for wood and plastic, and vacuum adapter. This is a real deal for woodworkers who do not want to waste their time ordering everything separately. The length of the blade is 4.5 inches. The speed of this instrument is 3,500 RPM. I have found it extremely convenient to use this saw with a single hand. It requires a 20 volts battery and cuts 2 by 4 inches in one pass. I recommend using it not only for wood, but for plastic, drywall, and even soft metal. The depth of cutting is adjustable. 90 degrees angle provides a 1 11/16 inches cut, and 45 degrees angle offers 1 1/8 inches. I advise you to use either laser or parallel guides that are pre-installed for precise cutting. As for the brand, EnerTwist is the manufacturer of powerful tools for your house and garden. It offers professional instruments for everyone. The dimensions of the saw are 15 inches x 8 inches x 3.5 inches. The handle grip is ergonomically made for long hours of work. The saw has 2 years warranty and 90 days of full price compensation. What do we like? Quick speed. Comfortable hold. Powerful engine. Affordable price. All the additional items are packed inside. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share, and comment on this video. Don't forget to press the notification bell icon to get new update videos. Also check the description box to check the product's link.